This is the Enchanted Christmas paper pad from Crafter's Companion. Now it goes along with all of their Enchanted line, but you can use it separately too. Now it is a pad, so it's thick. Everything is gummed at the top. There are 48 sheets. They are single-sided. You can see them all in the back, but let me give you an up-close and personal look. So here we go. I'm going to go through each of the 16. You're going to get 3 of each one. They are single-sided, so just printed on the front. So perfectly designed to go with the Enchanted Christmas collection. However, I also think that they would work nicely, perhaps with the Willoughby Woods fairies from Crafter's Creative Expressions, rather. So really fun. I love the all-over patterns. They just are so useful, so versatile. Beautiful woodland scenes in lots of different colors, as you can tell, yes. And so those silhouette stamps, the cutting dies, they're going to work perfectly, and we will have a webisode to give you some other ideas. So there they are. This is 180 GSM. So if you're used to a pound of paper, it's probably over 100 pounds as a weight. So very sturdy, very nice. 48 sheets in 6x6, perfect for card making, tags, or whatever you have.